For the first time ever, a major WordPress release shipped during the keynote. WordPress 6.9 went live on stage, and more than 700,000 sites were updated before the event concluded. That's a huge number. So, did you update to WordPress 6.9 last month, or did you click Remind Me Later? Because if you skip this one thinking it was just a boring end-of-the-year maintenance release, you're missing out on some of the best feature we've seen in years. I've spent the last few weeks pushing this version to its limits, and there are tools here that completely change how we build sites in 2026. Today, I'm showing you the hidden gems in 6.9 that you need to start using right now. First off, we need to talk about the Accordion Block. We've been begging for this for years. No more heavy plugins, no more broken shortcodes. It is native, it is fast, and it is silky smooth. If you're still using a plugin for FAQs in 2026, stop. The native block is lighter and better for your SEO. As part of cleaning up your layout, now you have Stretchy Typography. This is the kind of stuff that used to take me 20 minutes of CSS tweaking. Now, you just toggle it on. Your headings stretch to fit the screen perfectly. It looks incredibly high-end with zero effort. But the real excitement is in the workflow. If you work with clients or a team, the new block notes feature is going to save your sanity. Imagine Google Docs comments, but inside your WordPress dashboard. You can leave feedback directly on a specific paragraph or image. I've been using this for my January projects, and the email back and forth, gone. It is the smoothest collaboration experience WordPress has ever had. And here's my favorite tiny feature that feels like magic. The hide button. We've all been there. You want to temporarily remove a section without deleting it. Usually that means copying it to a draft or writing display, none in CSS. Now, click the eye icon, boom, it's gone. Click it again, it's back. It sounds simple, but once you start using it, you can't go back. So, if you're sitting on an old version, or if you updated but haven't explored the tools yet, go do it. WordPress 6.9 isn't just a patch, it's a toolkit upgrade. I want to know, are you going to ditch your FAQ plugins for the new Accordion Block? Let's argue about it in the comments. Alright, signing off for now. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. WPManageNinja has got a lot of videos related to WordPress tips and tricks coming up this year. See you there.